Hi everyone, I'm here to do Heggerty exercises with you. Let's get started with blending. I'll say the sounds, you repeat them, and then we'll blend the word together. S, n. Sun, k. Lock, m. Him, d. Dad, g, m. Gum, d. Mud, t. Pot, x. Mix, d. Sad, up. Cup. Good. All right, let's get ready to roller coaster our words. Oh, sorry. First word is buzz. B-u-z. Cat. K-at. Dip. D-ip. Remember, at the top of that roller coaster, we're really emphasizing that middle vowel sound. Sob. S-ob. Pup. P-up. Fan. F-an. Hid. H-id. Doll. D-all. Tug. T-ug. Cub. K-ub. Good. All right, now we're going to segment phonemes. So I'll say the word, you repeat it, and then we'll chop it into separate phonemes. Bug. B-u-g. Tap. T-ap. Pig. P-ig. Mop. M-op. Sub. S-ub. Bun. B-un. Fox. F-ox. Fit. F-it. Tub. T-ub. Lip. L-ip. Good. Next up, we're going to do phoneme substitution. So get your fists ready. I'll say a word, you repeat it, and then we're going to change the beginning sound to make a new word. The word is fuzz. Change f to b. Buzz. The word is fit. Change f to s. Sit. The word is r. Sorry, let me do that one again. The word is rug. Change r to d. Doug. Sometimes I get caught up thinking about other things or thinking ahead. The word is tub. Change t to br. Rub. The word is mat. Change m to f. Fat. Good. All right. Next, we are going to add phonemes. So we'll start with the ending part of the word, and we're going to add a beginning sound, an onset, put them together to make a new word. The word is is, add to the beginning. His. The word is add g to the beginning. Gum. The word is ob, add k to the beginning. Cob. The word is ip, add d to the beginning. Dip. The word is add s to the beginning. Sub. Good. Last one, we're going to delete phonemes. So we'll start with the word, and then we're going to remove the beginning sound. The word is man. Without m, the word is an. The word is zip. Without z, the word is ip. The word is hum. Without h, the word is The word is job. Without j, the word is ob. The word is dot. Without d, the word is ought. Good job.